In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay multiple bills with a check in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the full process from the moment you log in all the way to printing your checks so you can confidently pay several vendors at once without missing anything important. First, let's get to the Pay Bills screen. Once you're in QuickBooks Online, look toward the top left of your screen and click the plus New button. This is where QuickBooks keeps most of your transaction options. In the menu that opens, find the Vendors column and then click on Pay Bills. That will open the main screen where you'll manage and process your bill payments. Now that you're on the Pay Bills page, it's time to choose which bills you want to pay with a check. At the top of the screen, select the bank account you want to use for these payments. Make sure this is the account the checks will actually be drawn from, so your records stay accurate. Next, set the payment date. This is the date that will appear on the checks and in your accounting records, so double-check that it matches the day you intend the payment to be made. Below that, you'll see a list of open bills. Go down the list and place a check mark next to each bill you want to pay in this batch. You can select as many as you need, and QuickBooks will total them up for you. You'll also see a field for the starting check number. If you're writing or printing checks right now, enter the number of the first physical check in your checkbook. If you're not ready to print at this moment, choose the Print Later option so you can come back and print those checks when you're set up at your printer. Once you've selected the bills and confirmed your details, it's time to print the checks. Click Save and Print. QuickBooks will guide you through setting up your printer and making sure the checks line up correctly on the page. Take a moment here to follow the on-screen instructions. Good alignment helps avoid wasting check stock. When your printer is ready, enter the starting check number if you haven't already, then click Preview and Print. Review the preview, and if everything looks good, go ahead and send it to your printer. After the checks print, QuickBooks will ask if they printed correctly. Answer carefully, because your response tells QuickBooks whether to finalize those check numbers or let you try again. Once you confirm your multiple bill payments by check are complete and properly recorded in QuickBooks Online,